Hello everyone, Sam is from myforexmagicweb.com. This is the first video I'm making after the Christmas. And it's going to be about the trades taken last week in the first week of January this year, 2022. So let's get it started. Back to work, right? Okay. So the week started on, I think it's like second or third, probably third. So this is the first trade, EUR-AUD 20-minute. This is the long setup here for 75 pip. Buy order here. My SL moved to break even plus, and this is my Magic IB setup. And all the trades are by the setup, nothing outside the setup or without the setup. This is the USD yen from 20-minute chart, the same on the fourth. Buy order here, 100 plus pip. Beautiful entry, right? This was a beautiful entry here. This was an entry here, and I finally got this one, this entry. This time I wasn't even trading. So I don't know, maybe. But I just missed those entries. But this is, good enough, right? All right. So on the fourth Aussie, this is because the yen index was going up, right? Still going up. Probably going to make a turn now, maybe today and tomorrow, but still going up. So Aussie yen now, long side, beautiful entry here, and for 95 pip. I think we have more. Okay, here, pound yen. See, it is because of the yen index was getting weaker and taking all the yen pairs to the upside. So here's another beautiful entry here for pound yen on the 5th, and it is for 85 pip. And on the 5th, pound franc, nice clean entry here for 80 pip. It went up even higher. Here, pound CAD, beautiful long entry. Everything went up, 105 pip here with pound CAD. And again, you'll see pound franc, since it was keep going up. This was my first one. I closed here, retrace, second entry here, and it went all the way here. Again for 75 pip. So these are a few trades, 6-7 trades for the first week. And the first week is that where the new year is starting, and the volume is not completely back. Probably this week, the next week definitely. So this week right now, today is Wednesday, January 12th, and we will see some volume coming up soon. So this is how it is, and I'll make another video for the trades that I have taken today. I mean, not today, but this week, into this week from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday today. So that would be a different video. But this is how it is. This is how I take the trades, and if you like to be a part of it, you want to learn this setup, you want to get it and learn it how to trade, so go on my website right here, myforexmagicweb.com, and subscribe and start learning. All right, new year, everything new, targets for the people, new resolutions and all that. But my system old and still working, and it's gonna be there. I'm not coming up with a new system or anything. This is a system I'm using for years now. Probably like 8-10 years now. So why change if it is working, right? So far so good. And like I said, that this is the website where you go and you can subscribe and be a part of it. So thanks for watching, and have a very, very, very lucrative rest of the trading week.